All right, everybody, trapping day. I brought my son with me today. He's we call him Man Boy. Just getting ready. Overcast, like 20 above. Getting ready to get a big snowstorm getting ready to roll through. So we're gonna readjust a bunch of traps. Get them ready to where the snow don't impact them. Like the last snowstorm that rolled through, they're calling for 7 to 14 inches of snow up here over the next 2 days. So we're getting in just in front of the storm. So I think we're gonna end up just shaking a lot of our wolf traps out of the bed that they're in, and basically just setting them up on top of the hard pack and letting the snow fill them in. I'll see you down the trail and keep you informed as we go. But the caribou are dotted all over the hillsides out there today. I'm not even going to try to zoom in on them right now. But there's the valley we're heading up, and there's the hillside, or the mountain we're going to be getting to the top of out there in the distance. So here we just set a wolf trap right here. I put a couple some of that stuff we found off that other wolf pack. Isaac's got the camera for Man Boy, as we call him. So we basically just remarked where a wolf had come through and marked before. That's their trail there from this last time. But they like to come up this little creek, and then back up there they generally get off and they go up that hillside. But I've been hesitant to set anything here because of the overflow, but it hasn't came up this high down on this end yet. So we're gonna take a gamble. We'll check it next time. Hopefully we got a wolf, because they seem to be pretty consistent coming through right there about every 4 days, it seems like. But we're off to the next one. So the snow's starting. We got a marten tube right back there that we just checked. Tuck got over on the trail. He's been leading the way.
Caribou, lots of caribou.
Yeah, lots of caribou tracks in the trail. But we were discussing our game plan for the day, what we want to do about the river, because there's been a ton of overflow. So we'll progress, and when we get to the river, we're just going to have to see what it looks like, whether we're going to try to conquer that section, or we might just have to leave that section for the next time. But yeah, the snowstorm's starting. So, they're calling for 14 inches over the next 2 days up here. Anyway, peace out. See you down the line. So Tuck supplied lunch today. He got me chicken and dumplings, Mountain House. Man Boy here gets beef stroganoff and noodles. Tuck himself, what did he decide to get himself here?
I have a different meal.
Ooh, I looked at those yesterday too.
Pasta. So it's the peak. Yeah.
It's the peak ones.
Peak.
Then up in there, you see we got a trail going up into the woods. Right there, I've got a Lynx cubby. And then right over there, Tuck set up a marten tube. We just set them up 4 days ago. Nothing's touched them yet, but here we are, down on the creek. We'll see if the overflow gets bad. And see right there, there's water under the snow. So we'll see. Might have to turn around. But I think we only got 2 more sets, and they're not very far up the creek. So if we got to turn around, it's
there's one right after that.
Yeah, they're not very far. So
I think. But we can hit it from the other side. I think.
No, they're both this side of that really bad spot. Okay. But yeah, there's a really bad spot up here. If we get there, and it's good. I'll throw the GoPro on and go through it, but if it's too bad, then we're not even going to attempt it. Got Tuck over there shaking his head. No, no. But here we are in the snow. It's like 25 above. I'm surprised. Surprised it's snow. It's really quite nice, really. But there's a Wolverine trail going up there. That's why we set that cubby up in there, because it's set for Wolverine and Lynx. So who knows? We'll see. Hopefully we connect. Well, guys, we're back off the creek. Common sense ultimately prevailed. We turned around before we got to the bad spot. Backtracked to what was about 2.5 miles. We were able to check all of our sets that were on the creek. But we want to wait till we get some cold temperatures again before we try running the last 3 miles that go up. So yeah, Tuck's knocking the snow off that tube, and then we'll be on our way. Well, guys, we just went into where that wolf kill was. The wolves have not been back to it, but the birds are sure doing their fair share of work to it, so maybe next time. But for right now, they haven't been there. I did hang a trail camera up, so maybe we'll get a trail video of one getting caught. We will see. So here we are, top of the hill where we had lunch last time, not yesterday, but last time. And the marten came through here, just had an absolute heyday. And Tuck and I actually talked about putting a marten set up here and decided there wasn't no sign, so we didn't do it. So today we just put one up back there in those trees. So we'll see. Anyways, this is the top of the hill. Pretty socked in up here. Visibility is horrible. Currently snowing. At least the wind's not blowing. But yeah, we're off to the next one. So far, we've been skunked. Might be our first trip yet, because we don't have many traps left to check. So we'll see. All right, everybody, we're back at the truck, and it's not dark. It is snowing pretty good. We got about 1.5 inches of snow on the deck of the trailer since we've been gone. So that happened. It's still snowing pretty good. Skunked. Nothing in any of the traps. So yeah, this was probably a short video because of that. But time to take everything down, strap everything up, and then we're gonna go to Chattanooga Lodge for a burger. So enjoy. Caribou. Well, there's a decent bull right there in the group. Still has his antlers for whatever reason.